Do you know there's a tiny seed that can transform your health? It can boost your heart, improve your digestion, and even slow down aging. Yes, I'm talking about chia seeds. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use chia seeds for maximum health benefits. We'll talk about the right way to eat them, the best time to take them, and simple recipes that really work. So stay with me till the end, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health Age channel, and comment below which country you're watching from. Let's get started. Chia seeds may look tiny, but they are one of the most powerful superfoods in the world. They were used by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs to boost strength and energy. Today, they're loved by millions for being nutrient-rich and easy to use. These seeds are loaded with fiber, which helps digestion and keeps your gut clean. They are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which support your brain and heart. They contain protein, calcium, magnesium, and iron, all essential for your bones and muscles. And the best part, they're completely natural and gluten-free. Even if you're over 60, chia seeds can do wonders for your health. They help control blood sugar, improve heart function, and give you lasting energy throughout the day. Let's look at what's actually inside chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon gives you about 60 calories, 5 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, and 5 grams of omega-3 fats. It also gives you 18% of your daily calcium needs, amazing for bone health. Because of these nutrients, chia seeds help in several ways. They lower bad cholesterol and support a healthy heart. They increase good cholesterol, balance blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. They also improve brain function and memory, keeping you sharp as you age. Another great benefit, chia seeds help regulate blood sugar. They slow down the digestion of food and prevent sugar spikes, which is great for diabetics. If you want to lose weight, chia seeds are your best friend. Their fiber keeps you full for hours, naturally reducing your appetite. Chia seeds are also excellent for hydration. They absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, keeping your body hydrated longer. For seniors, this helps with joint flexibility and energy levels. They also make your skin glow because they're full of antioxidants that fight aging and wrinkles. But to get all these benefits, you must know how to use chia seeds correctly. Never eat chia seeds dry in large quantities. They expand in your throat and can cause discomfort. Always soak them first. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, add it to 1 cup of water, milk, or juice. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes until it becomes soft and gel-like. Now it's ready to use. For adults, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is enough. If you're above 60, start with 1 tablespoon per day and increase slowly. Now let's see some easy and powerful ways to include chia seeds in your daily routine. First, make a morning detox drink. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of warm water with lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey. Drink it on an empty stomach to cleanse your body and boost energy. Second, try chia water. Just soak chia seeds in plain water overnight and sip throughout the next day for steady hydration. Third, make a chia smoothie. Blend soaked chia seeds with banana, spinach, and almond milk. It's perfect for breakfast and gives you long-lasting energy. Fourth, chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk or yogurt, add honey or fruits, and refrigerate overnight. It becomes a delicious and healthy dessert. Fifth, sprinkle chia seeds on your oatmeal or porridge in the morning. It adds crunch and extra fiber to your meal. Sixth, for weight loss, drink chia water 30 minutes before lunch or dinner. It will reduce hunger and help you eat less. Seventh, add chia seeds to juices or coconut water. It makes them thicker and adds natural energy. Eighth, make chia energy balls. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and chia seeds. Then roll into small balls. A perfect snack to keep your energy up between meals. Ninth, add chia seeds to buttermilk with a pinch of cumin. This helps digestion and keeps your gut healthy. 10th, chia for glowing skin. Mix chia powder with honey and yogurt, apply on your face for 10 minutes, then wash. It hydrates and makes your skin soft. Now let's talk about the best time to take chia seeds. Morning is the best. It boosts digestion and energy for the day. Before lunch, it helps control hunger. Before a workout, it gives you stamina. At night, it supports better sleep and bowel movements. For older adults, morning or bedtime works best. If you're over 60, here's what chia seeds can do for you. They keep your heart healthy and prevent cholesterol buildup. They maintain brain function and reduce the risk of memory loss. They keep bones strong and muscles active. They improve joint flexibility and reduce pain from inflammation. They help balance blood sugar and pressure naturally. And yes, chia seeds even help you sleep better. They contain tryptophan, which helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, the sleep hormones. Your immune system also becomes stronger because chia has antioxidants and zinc that fight infections. Here are some simple chia recipes you can start today. Recipe 1. Chia lemon detox drink. Take 1 glass of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a lemon juice, and a teaspoon of honey. Mix well, soak for 15 minutes, and drink every morning. Recipe 2. Overnight chia pudding. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a cup of almond milk. Add a tablespoon of honey and some sliced fruits like banana or strawberry. Keep it in the fridge overnight and enjoy it cold in the morning. Recipe 3. Chia banana smoothie. Blend 1 banana, 1 tablespoon soaked chia, 1 cup milk, and a teaspoon of peanut butter. It's a tasty, protein-rich drink. Recipe for chia pancakes. Add a tablespoon of chia gel to your pancake mix. It acts like an egg and adds fiber to your breakfast. Recipe 5. Chia soup topping. Sprinkle a teaspoon of chia seeds over warm soup for texture and nutrients. But remember, use chia safely. Don't eat them dry. Always soak. Drink enough water throughout the day. If you take medicine for blood pressure or diabetes, talk to your doctor first. And start small. 1 tablespoon a day is enough. Choose good quality, organic chia seeds from trusted brands. People around the world have seen amazing results with chia. Within a week, many notice better digestion and less bloating. After 2 weeks, clearer skin. After a month, higher energy and better sleep. For seniors, chia can mean better joint health, improved mobility, and sharper thinking. I've seen it myself. When I started taking chia seeds daily, my energy and digestion improved within a few days. I felt lighter after meals, and my parents, who are in their 60s, noticed better sleep and less joint stiffness. It's truly a small habit that makes a big change. Let's quickly recap before we end. Chia seeds are full of fiber, omega-3 south, calcium, and antioxidants. They improve digestion, support your heart, and help with weight management. Always soak before eating. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. Use them in smoothies, puddings, or detox drinks. They're perfect for all ages, especially if you're above 60. Remember, it's not about quick results. It is about daily habits that build a healthy body and mind. Now that you know how to use chia seeds for health benefits, it's your turn to try. Start today. Try these recipes for 1 week and share your results in the comments. Tell me which country you're watching from. I love to see our health family from around the world. And yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health H channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful health tips like this one. Stay healthy, stay young at heart, and I'll see you in the next video.